Why don't I invest in the stock market? Well, it's because I don't like the volatility, the unpredictability, and the lack of control. You know, a mentor once told me that stocks are a sucker's game. He said the stock market is for the masses of people who are willing to overpay because they don't know how it works. So, you know, that sounded a lot like me when I was in the market. He then told me the way people get rich from the market is small companies will get rolled up one at a time at a multiple of 3 to 5 times their earnings into a suite of companies. That suite of companies will then operate under one parent company, and then that one parent company sells out to private equity at a multiple of 10 to 12 times earnings. What happens next is that private equity company will then take that parent company public, and they will sell its shares to sophisticated funds or unsophisticated investors. What's often referred to on Wall Street as the dumb money. And that dumb money then buys the public stock at 20 times earnings. Now, I even learned that Warren Buffett is not a stock market investor. What Buffett does is he buys companies and then he sells them on the stock market, which, as you can imagine, is a completely different game than the unsophisticated investors are playing. And it's also why Buffett is super rich. So what do I invest in? Well, I like things that I understand and can control. For example, myself. I invest heavily into my nutrition, into my business, and into my fitness. I also invest in real estate, and I help other people invest in real estate where together we can get safer, more secure, and higher returns with our investment capital, and we can do it without the volatility and lack of control in the stock market. Okay? Not financial advice, just my perspective.